Hello friends, today's video is going to be a little different. Here I am in my garden, walking through the garden. You can see the monsoon, it is totally lush green. There are some scattered flower here and there. It's not maintained well now because the grasses are growing tall and often it is raining. It's becoming very difficult for me to clean it. Here you can see there are moss roses growing on the wall on all tuta futa vessels or articles that I have planted. Here is a wonderful colocasia. These are some of the old pictures of my winter gardening. I wanted to show you and share with you. The winter gardening is totally done by me. I plant different type of roses. These roses were really very big. I made some rose water out of it also. Here you see these are the pudina that were growing in the garden, but due to heavy rain it was getting damaged. So these are the indoor plants. All the indoor plants and the outdoor plant whatever I have in my garden and in my house, I usually use different type of organic manure for them that I prepare by myself at home. You can see the texture, the color, the size of the plants and the fruits and flowers. They are so lovely and wonderful. All that are because of my organic fertilizers. I never use any type of chemical fertilizer. You all know that chemical fertilizers are good, but they can pollute the underground water. They are sometimes they change the pH of the soil. So I generally prefer organic fertilizers myself because they are cheaper, they can be used at home, made by ourselves, and moreover they do not cause any type of pollution and do not change the pH of the soil and do not contaminate the underground water. So first is the coconut husk. Here we get coconut in our home for our eating. We making food, we get coconut. So you can just take coconut husk from the coconut. Usually when we buy coconut, this husk remain attached with the coconut. So you can just tear off the coconut husk. You can cut it into small pieces and then you can use it in the planter in which you are planting a plant, because coconut retains water, good for the plant in the summer. Basically, even if you forget to water the plants for few days, no worry, the coconut husk will retain water and your plant will grow very well. Moreover, if you are planting the plant in a planter with a very tight and compact soil where the roots are suffocating, they may die. So coconut husk also help in aeration of the soil and they help to grow the plant healthier. You can see the leaves, the size of the pudina leaves. Here I have used the coconut husk to give them nourishment. Second is the, you can see the onion peels, which are very commonly found in your home. Everybody of us eat onion, is a wonderful fertilizer. Next are the compost that I usually make from the vegetable peels. You can use the vegetable peels, do not throw them away. You can use some additional neem leaves. Neem are very good, having antiseptic property, so you can use this neem leaves. So compost are very valuable for your plants. They will enrich your plant with lot of nutrients that they require. Next is the cow dung cake. Maybe not available for those who are staying in the metro cities. I generally collect it from my milkmaid. But cow dung cakes are available in Flipkart as well nowadays. This is the rice water. Everybody of us, we Indians, eat rice and clean the rice with water, and then we discard this water in our sink in the kitchen, but do not discard it. Rice has immense importance. They have lot of nutrients and they're good for uh, protecting your plants from aphids, from the damage of insects, the different type of ants that attack on the plants. Next is the eggshell. Eggshell has lot of calcium, phosphorus. They're good for the growth of the plants. So my view about planting any type of plant in a planter that you are keeping in indoor, or any type of plant that you are planting, you can use this type of you see the paper, brown paper uh, pieces that I have already shown you in the previous video. So these brown papers or the cardboard pieces that we occasionally get from packaging, from the packet items, that can be made into compost for nourishing your plants. I usually use, do not throw it. I most of the time use this cardboard or brown papers for making compost. So these are all the wonderful ideas that you can easily use your time, and you can nurture your plants. So in this way your plants will get nourishment out of very cost effective things that you are using. You see here there are cocoa peat. Okay, these are all coconut husk that I have used to plant this elephant's ear. So my I want to say you one thing, that those who are beginners for gardening, just enjoy gardening. Do not think about what shall I get out of the plants. Definitely you will get some invisible benefits, like you are getting oxygen, plenty of oxygen. You are relieved from stress, a very important you can say problem in today's world is the stress is everywhere. Basically here in today's world, from 2019 last, from December, we are all going through a pandemic where all are stressed of work, stressed about everything. So my view is, you just plant some indoor plants. If it is not possible for you to go to the garden, or you do not have a garden, just use snake plant, used to propagate any type of plant that is easily available and low maintenance, money plant, or any type of plant like periwinkle. Okay, you can plant any type of plant like hibiscus. You can easily break one branch from a hibiscus and bring it home, and you can plant it. They can easily grow. So all these plants are very easily available. You are eating a lot of fruits, you can use that seeds and you can grow the plants. If you want flowering plants, you can buy online or go to a nursery and buy it and plant it. And if possible, if you are having good friends, those who are having a hobby of planting and gardening, so you can get plants from them. Even if you want, you can get from me. I actually gift many plants to my students who come and appreciate my gardening. Not for appreciation, but generally I love that my students should learn to do gardening, and they should become a good citizen of the country. So everybody of us should know the importance of plants in our life and the importance of plants in the environment. Stay happy, stay blessed.